my name is Cromwell, and today we're going to show you how to make a simple taper jig, which is great for making table legs. To make a simple taper jig, you only need a few things: a table saw, some screws, and a screwdriver. You need a guide board, which is your throwaway board basically, and then the board that's going to actually be your taper. You're going to create a kerf in your guide board, which is going to be your baseline for your taper. So you take your project board and you line the top end up with the kerf line, attach that with a screw. Then you take the bottom and you adjust it to the desired taper and you attach that. Keeping your fence in place, you readjust the blade height so that it passes through the project board. Then you're ready to make your cut. And now you've got a tapered leg with only using a few tools. Easy peasy. Thanks for joining us.